Companies today are finding it challenging to connect with an increasingly dynamic and more remote workforce. Employees feel less connected and engaged, causing company culture and performance to suffer. Organizations are healthier when they are more diverse and more effective when each member feels understood, appreciated, and is fully engaged. The first step to cultivating a winning culture is recognizing the individual strengths and styles of each team member. Companies that can identify and understand each individual employee's values, joys, strengths, and stressors can create a corporate culture that is healthy, inclusive, and sustainable. A culture that honors and trusts team members while celebrating their differences. Discovering your employees' unique strengths and approach to work can be a challenge, but is essential for building engagement, job satisfaction, and unity. For over 40 years, True Colors programs have utilized a proprietary methodology and innovative toolset to maximize your most important resource, your people. We help your organization create a culture where every employee feels understood and appreciated. True Colors will enhance your organizational culture through better communication, robust personal connection, and sustainable growth in real teamwork. The True Colors methodology has been utilized to drive personal awareness and empathy on the individual level and to transform cultures for businesses and organizations of all shapes and sizes. People who have the orange personality type are fun, energetic, and spontaneous. Gold personalities are punctual, precise, and organized. Greens are visionaries, intuitive, and analytical. And blues are empathetic, supportive, and compassionate. While we all have a dominant primary color, every person has a full True Colors personality spectrum. Pulling from all colors makes you a more effective person. In the same way, every organization as a whole also possesses its own spectrum of complementary colors. From Fortune 500 companies and local businesses to schools and universities to government, healthcare, and even family settings, the True Colors methodology scales and customizes seamlessly to meet the challenges your culture faces today. Our system has inspired many imitators, but has never been equaled in effectiveness, depth, and inclusivity. Valuing differences, creating unity.